Now let's take a case where distinct objects have to be divided into distinct groups. So objects are also distinct and the groups are also distinct. What we did prior to this was identical objects, distinct groups. But now we are doing distinct objects and distinct groups. So when we did identical chocolates, you remember, right? So the chocolates were identical. But what if the chocolates are distinct and there is no replication at all? The common example here is letters and post boxes. 5 letters are to be you have 4 letters, and you also know in the vicinity, the neighborhood area, there are 5 post boxes. You can go to any one of them, you don't have any particular preference towards them. So in how many ways can they be posted, right? Now obviously I'm sure I don't even need to explain this. Letters have to be distinct. Why would you post the same letter 4 times? I mean, there has to be some distinction between the letters. Either the addresses are different or the content is different. So the question is not going to specifically tell you the letters are different. This is presumed that the letters are different. Okay? Alright. So 4 letters, which obviously are distinct, have to be posted in 5 post boxes, and you have no particular preference towards any post box. Now you see how you can take a decision. Say first letter you have to post. So the letter can be posted in any of the 5 post boxes, right? There are 5 choices. So for letter 1, there are 5 choices. For letter 2, there are again 5 choices. Why can't you post it in the post box in which you posted letter 1? The same letter 2 can also be posted in the same post box. So 5 choices. Letter 3, again 5 choices, right? And letter 4, again 5 choices. So each letter has 5 choices, right? So in how many ways can you post your 5 letters? You can post it in 625 ways. Okay, it's a very simple kind of question, and most of us can solve it. The only mistake that we make is that to decide who has the choice, right? So that is something you will have to take into account. The general formula is, say there are n objects to be divided into r groups. Okay, then the answer is r to the power n, not n to the power r. Alright. The choice lies with the object, not with the group. Letter decides which post box he wants to get into. The post box does not, it's just the recipient, the silent recipient of the letter. Alright. So this we understand. Now similar questions that can be done like this would be questions related to selection of objects, which we will do in the next session. Alright.